Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a project pan update to give you. This is for that 70s pan. This was a collab that started in the Pantastic ladies group. That's a Facebook group. And it was created by Cece and Kim. I'll put all the information down below in the description box. It tells you everything. It started on July 27th of this year, and it goes to July 27th of next year. So this is my update for November. So let's go over updates, where I'm at, blah blah blah. Okay. Prompt number 20 was fringe, something that makes you look extra, and I used my Stila Glitter and Glow in Kitten Karma. This is used up. It's yeah, I guess I could take the stopper out maybe, but I'm not that kind of gal. I guess my project panning, I'm not as goes wild and have everything totally cleaned out, but I can definitely see all sides, and I'm not getting anything when I put it in. So to me, that is done. I'll put that in my empties. So I will have to replace that. Next was lava lamp, something liquid or neon. And I have my Marc Jacobs, it's dirty, my Marc Jacobs face spray. Here is where I'm at now. I didn't bring a marker in here. I'm down here. So you can see where my marks was. I'm really using that up. My goal on this one is to totally use up. I will mark it later and you'll see it next time. But yeah, I'm way down there. This stays in the project and I'm going to keep going. Like I said, my goal is to use that one up. Next, pod chairs, a comfy product or something you use to pamper yourself. Well, I put in my Bath & Body Works Japanese Cherry Blossom body spray. You can see there's a little dab. To me, that's done. There we go. I have used that up. When I spray, I don't really get anything out. I'm done. I'm done with it. Again, it will go in my empties. It's gone. So let me mark that out. I'll have to replace that. Pyrex dishes. It was prompt number 26, and that is something repressed. Well, I had made I frankened a contour shade, and I put it up here, and it is all gone. All gone. So I used that up. So that will have to be replaced. So we'll have to put something new there. Next was exposed brick, a red lippy. So I put my Besame 1946 lipstick in. There it is. My goal was to use that 7 times, and I used it 7 times. So that can go back into my stuff. So we have to replace that one. Number 26, Chrome Finishes, a metallic product. So I chose my Ofra. This is my Sparkle Lights topper in Glisten. There we go. My goal was to use that 7 times. I used it 7 times. It can go back where it belongs. There we go. That needs to be replaced. And then last was headbands, a hair product. So I chose this My Amazing Blow Dry Secret. That's what it looks like. You shake it up before you spray it. I haven't used it at all, so the mark is the same. Jeez, I paid $42. Let me see if you can see that. I paid $42 for that, and this is, I've had it a while. What was I thinking? $42. This better be amazing. I rarely blow dry my hair. I know I bought it at the salon, so I need to use that. Definitely, that's staying in. So we're going to add some new things. Prompt number 64 is the $6 Million Man, and that's a high-end product. So I pulled out this deluxe sample I have of this Guerlain Lior primer. Let me see. me hold it like that and see if we can get it to focus. There we go. This has gold fleck in it. It's high-end, so my goal is to use this completely up. I want it gone. Next, Bionic Woman, which is a highlighter. So I went in my highlighters and I pulled out this Ofra in Blissful. Here's the shade. Very pretty. My goal is to use that 7 times. We'll use that 7 times. Next, Hollywood Squares. A product that is square. Well, my Kylie blush, I thought of that. The color is close to perfect. There we go. So I'm going to, let's see about I'm going to use that 7 times. Close to perfect. Next, prompt number 61. The Waltons. Something Mom used. So, I went into my fragrances. This was my mother's bottle of Giorgio Red. And I'm going to use it 7 times. It's a very strong fragrance. Look, I'm going to use it time number 1 right now. Yep. Smells like my mother. So there we go. I'm going to use that 7 times. I can't get any closer than the actual perfume my mother wore. So there we go. And then last, last is Disco. And that's shiny packaging. Well, this is the shiniest packaging I've got. It is a MAC lipstick. It is a limited edition. It is a Mariah Carey. It's called Bit of Bubbly. I love this lipstick. You can tell I've really used it. It's a nude. I love to use this to mix with other shades. And it's got a little butterfly on it. I hope you can see that. So yeah, I mean, Disco. So there we go. There's all of my current things now in that 70s pan, project pan. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really, it helps me a lot with my algorithm if you give me a thumbs up. It really does. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. And if you're new here, I would really love it if you would subscribe. So guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.